Hey y'all, you ready? Welcome back to my channel. Alright y'all, so it's Vlogmas and you know, I am tired, okay? Listen, finals is right here. I had a whole bunch of projects yesterday. I've been running off of literally like 4 hours of sleep every day. Today I might have got 5. I am exhausted. But what did I say? I said no excuses. I gotta make it happen regardless by any means necessary. And so I'm bringing y'all another video today. Henny, I need you to relax. I need you to relax. So today I'm going to be doing a PR unboxing. So I have some really exciting news, guys. I am now on Sally Beauty's PR list. They hit me up about 2 weeks ago and they said, hey, listen, we just launched this new hair care line with MoKnowsHair, and I had seen it on Instagram before. Mo had posted something about it and I was like, oh yeah, I'm familiar. And they're like, and we want you to be a part of the excitement. Would you like us to, you know, send you the collection? And so I'm like, yes, please. I actually vlogged the day I got the email. I'm not sure if y'all are interested in seeing a vlog like that. If you are, definitely let me know down below because I can just edit it up and give it to y'all. Because I was just gonna film some other videos, but if y'all wanna see the day I got that PR email, then definitely let me know. I can definitely get that video out to show y'all. But yeah, so today we're gonna be unboxing the new MoKnowsHair collection. We're gonna be doing a little PR unboxing. I got my scissors here and I am so excited for this. Oh, I see purple. That's Mo's brand color, MoKnowsHair. First, I want to say congratulations to MoKnowsHair for having her own collection now of hair products. I remember when I was first starting out on my curly hair journey, I watched MoKnowsHair a lot. And I'm actually aspiring to maybe do some of the things that she's doing, or that she's done. You know, not gonna say too much more about that, but she is definitely an inspiration to me and a powerhouse in the natural hair community, in the curly hair community. And yeah, I really love MoKnowsHair. But so let's take this out of the box, and I see this beautiful purple package. Oh, I love this. I love this so much. Alright, so here it is. The MoKnowsHair collection with Sally Beauty, y'all. It is here. It is here. It is here. I believe I got the entire collection. We're gonna break this bad boy open and see what we are working with, guys. And trust and believe, I am going to be reviewing these products. I'm trying these products and showing y'all what's up. You know, here is the box. It is a beautifully done package. So it opens up. How does this open? Oh, they fancy. They fancy. Okay, so the bottom is a magnet. It's a magnetic. It's a magnetic box, and it opens up from the bottom. Ah, look at my girl Mo. I see you. I see you. Wow. Y'all, if this isn't inspiring, I do not know what is. Wow, Mo. Wow. MoKnowsHair. Rooted in science, proven with experience, the best version of your hair awaits you. Introducing MoKnowsHair Curl Collection. Monica. Her signature is on the package too. Whoa, we got 7 products in this lovely package. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. What? So we have a scalp and curl clarifier, so it's like a shampoo, a curl co-wash and conditioner, a curl restoring treatment, so that's like a deep conditioner, I'm assuming, a curl primer. It seems like a very interesting concept, and I have been wanting to try a primer, a curl styling potion, a curl smoothing pudding, so I assume that would be like something that I would use for a twist out or something like that, and a curl setting gel, and y'all know how I feel about my gel. The packaging on these products is really innovative. It's very different. It's not like just your regular old boring bottle. All right, so now let's get into what these products actually do. So the scalp and curl clarifier, it says healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp, removes pollutants and buildup without stripping natural oils to reveal balanced scalp and curls. So this is a product that I would use if my hair is just really dirty and I just really need to get it cleaned off. And like I said, the packaging for everything just looks amazing. So it's like a typical shampoo consistency, but I really love the applicator bottle because you can put it easily on your scalp. And also it smells really good. So I will be trying these products out, as I said before, so you guys will get a review on these products, but this smells really good. Okay, so next we have the Curl Co-Wash and Conditioner. And this says it detangles, it cleanses, and it conditions the curls in just one step. Or you can use it as a conditioner. So really you're getting two for the price of one, because you get this one thing and it will clean your hair and condition your hair at the same time. So that's pretty cool, and I'm really excited to try this out. All right, so the next thing we have is the curl primer, and this is something that I'm so interested in. And it says it's supposed to prime and smooth, and it says a beautiful style starts with a solid foundation. Prep and prime your curls with this soothing, hydrating treatment. So I'm assuming it's just something that's supposed to hydrate your curls so that they are, you know, more willing to work with you. It's a spray, so that's cool. I know Mo loves her sprays. But yeah, so it is a spray. This is a really high quality sprayer. They really optimize this for use, and like I said, the packaging is just freaking so cool. Like, where have you ever seen a hair product packaged like this before? Next, we have the curl restoring treatment, and this says that it is supposed to restore elasticity to strands for smooth, defined, moisturized curls. Let's take a look at it. Oh, she's thick. Okay, so it is it's a thick but creamy. Smells really good. Next we got the curl smoothing pudding. Now y'all know I like gels. I'm not a big fan of puddings or anything, but for a twist out, I am a fan of puddings and creams. So this says that it is a rich styler that makes twist outs in any style smooth and defined with flexible hold and beautiful bounce. So this is about to be my twist out product. I'm actually going to do a twist out video, and I'm going to use this and see how it is. And it's thick. It is a thick cream. It is not budging. It is not moving whatsoever. So this is a thick cream, and I'm really excited to try this out on my next twist out. Next, we got the Curl Styling Potion, and this is a 2-in-1 leave-in and styler with soft hold. Nourish and hydrate curls with this potion, blended with botanicals and essential oils for ultimate volume and shine. And then the last product, you know I had to say the best for last, is the Curl Setting Gel. So, because y'all know I love gels. So it says fight frizz and define curls without the crunch. Interesting. Y'all know I like the crunch, so this is going to be interesting. Set your wash and go or twist your strands for a beautiful, shiny finish, okay? And so I really want to see the consistency of this gel, because y'all know I like me a thick gel that will get my hair crunchy, because my hair will last a long time. Also, I noticed the Curl Styling Potion also has silicone in it, so it's one of those products that it's fine to use. I just wouldn't use it all the time, back to back. And that is all for this video, for this unboxing. I want you guys all to stay tuned, because I will be trying out these products and giving you guys a review on it to let you guys know how I feel about the products, and if y'all should go and buy them and get your hands on them. So I'm excited to be bringing y'all a video every day and pushing myself, really pushing myself to bring y'all a video every day for Vlogmas. You know, we doing it, we getting it in, even with finals and final projects, and 2 projects that I'm probably going to be up until 3, 4, 5 a.m. tonight, because I got to get them done by tomorrow morning. So but we are making it happen. No excuses. I'm committed to making it happen. So that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending your time here with me on the internet. You know, as I say all the time, you know, there are millions and billions of videos that you could be watching on the internet, and the fact that you are spending this time here with me watching mine really means so much, and I appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.